India is a country with 1.4 billion people, and the country is experiencing the most difficult time in history due to COVID-19 second wave. Every day, more than 300,000 positive cases, and so far, almost 270,000 people died. Nothing can be worse than ever India is facing now. Hospitals, medical frontline staff, NGOs, celebrities, and normal citizens are doing their best they can do for the country. To name a few, in this video I will show you the heroes or the warriors and how their selfless efforts saving many lives during this pandemic. Just after lockdown, state borders were sealed, trains, buses were suspended. Thousands of migrant workers who were left without job, food and shelter, they had no choice but to work to reach their home, and sometimes it's more than 1,000 kilometers distance. Countless people, including men, women and children, died either in accident or exhaustion. The actor Sonu Sood came out to help lakhs of migrant workers by arranging transport permit, food, buses, trains. He also offered his hotel in Mumbai for the medical professionals to stay while they fight against COVID-19. His contribution list is never ending, and his act of kindness has made him one of the most admired people in the celebrity world. 50 years old Jitendra Shinde, a selfless Indian rickshaw driver, has worked tirelessly to ferry thousands of people to hospitals free of cost during COVID-19 crisis, and many of them had COVID-19 symptoms. To ensure safety, he wore PPE kits and sanitized rickshaw consistently. So far, he has spent 150,000 rupees of his savings to help people. Besides, he needs to spend on fuel every day. Why he does all this? He says people donate to temples. He spends money to save lives and find the joy is what he lives for. Michelin star chef Bikash Khanna has the most important campaign of his life, Feed India. Under the initiative, he has partnered with various companies, philanthropic organizations and individuals to provide food for millions of families in need. Initially, it was cooked food, later switched to dry ration, with the objective that people in need should not go to sleep with an empty stomach. Through his initiative, the star chef has fed over 50 million meals across India. Nancy Aiza Mistry, a 4 months expectant mother and a nurse at a hospital in Gujarat, continues to serve patients in COVID-19 crisis while observing fast in the holy month of Ramadan. She says, "I have a child in my home, but my duty is important to me. By the grace of God, I have the opportunity to serve the patients in the holy month of Ramadan." Back in May 2020, a 9 months pregnant nurse, Rupa Praveen Rao, continued her duty in COVID-19 crisis, who worked at a government hospital in Karnataka. The Chief Minister expressed his gratitude towards her services and requested her to go on maternity leave. Both the nurses are the shining example of selfless dedication to work. Second wave of COVID-19 claiming more and more lives in India. People are afraid of getting infected from dead bodies and often leaving them abandoned on the streets or at crematoriums. Jitendra Singh Shanti, the founder of Shahid Bhagat Singh Seva Dal, based in Delhi, where he and his team tirelessly picking up bodies from hospitals, homes and those are abandoned, cremating those bodies and offering the last rite with dignity. They are doing it free of cost right through the pandemic. After going through the traumatic experience of finding a plasma donor for his father-in-law, Aditya Mal and his friend Mukul Phawa founded Dhund.com, a website that helps people finding a possible plasma donor. They invested all of their savings and developed the website that allows patients and donors to register themselves on the same platform so that both parties can simply connect. The heroes list is really big, and I have presented very few of them. All I wanted to say, India is in terrible condition, but if we all get some motivation from these heroes and do our part while following the COVID-19 guidelines, things will turn around. This time, do not judge your act by size. Your little help can save someone's life. It is not the time to criticize government for what they are doing. That will never help. Someone is dying without food, or someone need a bed for treatment, or oxygen to breathe, or someone whose body is abandoned on the street. It is time for us to stand together and fight for the country, fight for ourselves. Jai Hind.